Hello Hacktubers! Handmade LED voltmeter that measure voltage from 2 up to 12 volts, and you can check voltage on batteries like 9 volt, car batteries, 12 volts, or any else DC power source that give from 0 to max 15 volts. Just to mention, this simple LED voltmeter works without batteries, and it's made just with LEDs and resistors. No integrated chips or transistor. I have used just LEDs and resistors. Just see the measurements that I made on some batteries. Let's talk about circuit of this voltmeter that I used just LEDs and resistors only. You will need 19 color LEDs and 8 resistors to make 8 independent levels that will measure 8 different volt levels. As you can see, one LED through 1.5 kilo ohm resistor is one level, and this LED will indicate 2 volts. One green LED that have voltage drop of 2.2 volts through 1.5 kilo ohm resistor will measure from 2 to 3 volts. Two red LEDs in serial will have voltage drop of 3.4 volts, and this will light up and indicating 4 volts. Next we have two green LEDs in serial for above 4.4 volts, two blue LEDs for 5 volts, three blue LEDs for 7.5 volts, three white and one yellow LED for 9 volts, and 4 white LEDs in serial will make above 12 volts of drop and indicate 12 plus measured volts. Here it is the circuit and how I built my handmade LED voltage tester that work without batteries and measure voltage from 1.8 volts up to 15 volts DC voltage. Now I'm testing the voltmeter on car battery, on 9 volt battery, 12 volt acid battery. To show even better example, here I hook up my LED voltmeter on digital adjustable power supply and increasing the voltage from 1.8 volts up to 15 volts. I hope you like today's homemade gadget that I made, LED voltage tester that work without batteries. Today's hack is how you can convert ordinary black computer fan into RGB LED controlled light show PC fan. Before I start making today's project, sponsor of this video are my friends PCBWay, prototype PCB manufacturer that offer you the best and high quality printed circuit boards and offer you PCBA servers from 1 to 10 assembled boards for $88, which is super cool offer. And by the way, PCBWay wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you, and with your order at PCBWay you may be a lucky PCB designer and win a snowman PCB Christmas gift like this one. Thanks again to PCBWay for great PCB gifts. Now to explain about today's project, which is converting a PC fan into Wi-Fi controlled LED RGB light show. I am placing RGB LED strip around the PC fan, but before that I drill some holes so can each LED diode reflect directly on PC fan blades. The fan I have sprayed with white color paint, and everything I tied up with 2 component fast adhesive 2-in-1 glue. I hope you like the LED controlled PC fan that change any color via Wi-Fi or with this small remote control that come together with Wi-Fi controller that I purchased from eBay for about $8. Let's make a digital voltmeter using only Arduino board and LCD display. There are thousands of Arduino projects, but this one is very useful and simple to make. For building digital voltmeter that will measure up to 30 volts, you need Arduino board and LCD display with 16 by 2 characters, one 100 kΩ resistor and one 10 kΩ resistor. The schematic and source code are in description below. Sponsor of this video is PCBWay that produce high quality printed circuit boards. At this moment, PCBWay give Christmas coupons and mysterious gifts to 10,000 lucky PCB designers. The Christmas coupon event will last up to December 25. So what you waiting for? Visit the PCBWay, the link is in description below, create your own prototype board, order from PCBWay and you will get your Christmas package with your custom board and gifts from PCBWay. Let's continue with the project. I want to create LCD display shield, and purpose of this will be that I can reuse the LCD display shield for other projects without soldering wires all the time. After soldering all the connection between my custom board and LCD display, I made myself smart LCD shield that I can attach on my Arduino Uno board. Now let's test this voltmeter by measuring some batteries and compare with my mini voltage DC power supply. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this project will be awesome.